Hi guys, in this session we will see some basics of SMPS. In this session we will see what is SMPS. Second topic will be comparison of linear power supply versus SMPS. Third will be block diagram. Fourth will be circuit diagram explanation. And fifth one will be application. What is SMPS? SMPS is a switch mode power supply. As name suggested, switching must be happen. SMPS is an electronic power supply which converts AC or DC into regulated DC output voltage with the help of switching action. And this switching action happens at a higher frequency, which is approximately 20 kHz to 100 kHz. Comparison between SMPS and linear power supply. Here are the parameters. First one is the efficiency. Efficiency is low in linear power supply and high in the switch mode power supply. EMI is low in linear power supply, high in the switch mode power supply. Transient response is faster in linear power supply. RF interference due to switch mode power supply produces the RF interference. Power density is low in a linear power supply and complexity is less in linear power supply. These are the advantages and disadvantages. But why we are choosing SMPS over the linear power supply? So basically two parameters. One is the efficiency and second one is the power density. Now what is the power density? Power density is total power upon the area. So in simple words, we can say the size of the SMPS. So why power density is high in switch mode power supply? So we know that induced EMF is equal to 4.44 into frequency into magnetic flux into number of turns. Once again I will repeat. Induced EMF is equal to 4.44 into frequency into magnetic flux into number of turns. So if we keep constant magnetic flux and number of turns, then induced EMF is directly proportional to frequency. That means your power rating is directly proportional to frequency. If you increase the frequency, your power rating will be increase. Here is the block diagram of SMPS. So first block is your input stage. The AC input signal is given directly to the rectifier and then passed to the filter circuit to reduce the ripple content. This unregulated DC is given to the control switching section. This is our third block, which is control switching section. Switching section such as transistor or MOSFET, which switches on and off according to variations. And output of switching is given to the primary of a transformer. You can see the transformer, step down flyback transformer. So after the transformer, all blocks are the output stages. So output signal from secondary transformer winding again rectify and filter to get required DC voltage. Here you can see the output voltage signal is given to the primary. So this whole section is called as a feedback signal. So this regulated output voltage which is given to the control circuit, which is feedback circuit, the final output is obtained after considering the feedback signal. So here you can see PWM or control circuit. So here are the two inputs. One is the current sensing and second is the feedback sensing, which is output voltage sensing. So for the two generation of PWM, we require the two signals, current and voltage signals. So according to current or voltage, our PWM will be vary, and this PWM or gate pulse is given to the or MOSFET. So this is our complete block diagram of SMPS. Here you can relate the previous block diagram. AC is applied to the rectifier block. This is our rectifier block. Then after rectifier, the filtering is done. After filtering, you can see the switching action. Then your transformer block. Again, the rectifier, and then your filter output. So again, this whole section is your control section. You can see this is controller and two inputs are given. One is your voltage sensing and another is your current sensing. And by these two parameters, gate pulse is generated, and according to your width varies, PWM width varies. So this is your circuit diagram. You can relate with the block diagram. Then applications. What are the applications? There are many applications of SMPS. Few of them are, first one is a battery charger. You can see daily use your mobile charger, which is nothing but SMPS. And then your different battery charger, lithium ion, lead acid battery chargers. After that, add IT appliances. In your daily computer use, there are SMPS. Then machine tool industries, security system. In security system, you can say camera power supplies. After that, the medical appliances. In you can say incubators, then ventilators. So after that, TV, PLC. There are many appliances where SMPS are used. Thank you guys for watching this video.